Hi guys, it's Mel from Love Dowsing. I just want to introduce myself and my friend Sharon Little, who I partner up with. We teach creative techniques with the pendulum to be able to manifest in an easier way. So we have devised webinars once a month to help you manifest. We're on webinar 2 and it starts 15th of October. So many people had shifts happen and things manifesting in their life after doing webinar 1. And I like the content I created so much. I made a journal out of it. So this is just a sneak preview of what's coming up 15th of October. We're using the pendulum to connect and clear blocks at a deep level to manifest your dreams using the 55 times 5 method. So each day you write your positive, future forward affirmations 55 times for 5 days. And on the calls, we'll be testing self-beliefs, negative self-beliefs, positive self-beliefs, how to shape your own reality, and achievement and appreciation commands. So if you want to fast track your manifesting in a group, is really, really powerful. It's just like this. You write your lines 55 times each day. So there's day 2 and it carries on. So I hope, this I turned into a planner as well. This is box set 3. It's a journal. Mood tracker. Oh yeah, I forgot I put that in. Note passwords and just things to write down. So I'll put the link into this video and it will be so great to see you. It's really powerful when a lot of people come onto the call and we can all work together, and it's just great fun really. So see you on the 15th.